Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable dark mode in YouTube in your Android mobile. Let's have a look how to do this. The trick is very simple. Go to YouTube from your Android mobile. Then click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings from the menu. Tap on the General option from the Settings menu. Here you can see in the second option Dark Theme, which is disabled. Tap on this to enable Dark Theme. That's it. You just enabled Dark Theme in YouTube in your Android mobile. That is how you can enable dark mode in YouTube in your Android mobile. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.